Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch accounts on Discord. To get started, open Discord app on your device. Once you are there, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now click on the user setting option, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on the option, scroll down until you see the option logout. So click on the logout and add another account. So that is how you can only switch accounts on Discord if you haven't updated your Discord application. So that is the only working method. And once your Discord app is updated, hereby you can switch accounts on Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.